It's me Harsh and welcome back to my channel Baking Vibes. This video is all about making cake balls. Now the ingredients are very simple and the recipe too is. If you want to know how to make chocolate ganache, which I will be using in this recipe, go ahead and look out the previous video that I made on my channel. Now let's look at the recipe. You will need some vanilla cake or any flavor cake which you want. I dyed half of the batter pink and half I kept it white. I baked it and then I just crumbled it. Next, you will need some chocolate ganache. Watch my previous video. And for decoration, you will need some vermicelli sprinkles, rainbow colored, and some silver ball sprinkles. Now let's start to make a recipe. Before we move ahead and make our recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this to all of the people you can, and give your suggestions and comments in the comment section below so that I can take a look at them and follow along. Now let's start making a recipe. So first, in this cake crumbs, we will add in our chocolate ganache. And now we have to get messy, all messy. Just put in our hands, dig in and start mixing the mixture before it starts to form like a dough. We have almost reached the perfect stage. Now our mixture has come into a slightly sticky dough kind of structure, and now we will start to make balls out of it. Here I have a 1 tablespoon measure. We will make the balls according to this size so that they are even. Okay. Now we will just shape this into a ball. Try to bring it as close to a sphere as possible, and then we will just keep it on a plate and we will keep doing this until the balls are formed. Balls are all ready, and now before we go to the final step, we have to keep them in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes so that they harden up a little bit and then it's easy for us to decorate. Balls have come out of the freezer and they are now a bit solid. You can see they are not changing their shape even when they are moving. Now we will dip them in ganache, coat them in ganache and take it on this plate, and then sprinkle some sprinkles or some silver balls according to the choice. Let's start doing it. I'll just show you how to do one. For that, first we will need a fork. We will take a cake ball, dip that in ganache, put some ganache on top of it. We have to just make sure of one thing, that our ganache is not very liquidy, because if it is very liquidy, then the ganache won't stay on the cake ball. Just tap it a bit and then take it out on the plate. Now once it's out on the plate, now we will sprinkle a little bit of the sprinkles, and there you have it, our cake ball is ready. Balls are ready to go in the freezer for about 5 minutes so that the ganache sets and it is ready to eat. Let's pop them in the freezer and then we'll show how it comes out. There you have it. We just made our cake balls, which look very tempting and delicious, and the shine of the glaze of the chocolate ganache is very amazing. Also, the sprinkles and the silver balls make it just a cherry on the cake feeling. Before we leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ding the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Also, don't forget to like this video and share it to everybody that you can. And if you have any suggestions or queries, just put that in the comment section below. Also, if you want to know the recipe for the cake that I made today, leave it down in the comment section below and I will make my best to make it happen. Thanks again, you guys. Bye bye.